Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You already have Stata open and your dataset loaded. Start by identifying the string variable you want to convert. Use Describe and Codebook to inspect length and contents because you need to know if there are non-numeric characters, commas, currency signs, or leading zeros. Once done, decide the appropriate numeric storage type, byte, int, long, float, or double, based on value range and precision. This choice matters for memory and accuracy, so don't skip it before conversion. Now clean the data so Stata can interpret numbers. Remove commas, dollar signs, percent symbols, and extra spaces using subinsert, regexer, or trim. Make sure to convert any empty strings to missing by replacing with, so they become proper system missing. Once cleaned, use destring for integers or real. Inside, generate if you need control, destring, replace, or generate, nuvar, and the force option only when necessary. Doing this prevents silent conversion errors and preserves original values for verification. Finish by verifying the numeric variable. Run summarize and tabulate to check distribution, and list mismatches between old string and new numeric variables. If you needed leading zeros, keep the original string or format the numeric output with %0 for display. When things go wrong, use regexem, or a simple if condition to find non-numeric cases. Fix those cases manually, replace them with missing, and rerun destring. Make sure to document each step so you can reproduce or reverse any changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.